Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. Thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. Today we're out at Lake McClure and we're gonna go hit a bunch of different spots. But before we even go anywhere, right here off the launch, there's a bunch of water coming in over there. We're gonna go throw some spinner baits, stuff like that real quick, and then we're gonna go hit the main, toss some jigs, throw some big swim baits. Ready to go get them, huh, Charlie? Yeah. Give me bumps. Give me 5. Shake. Okay. Nice. Move, Charlie. Move, move. Nice. Hey, get off. My spotted bass. Throwing that jig, baby. Oh, this one ain't gonna keep though. Toss him back. We going fishing, buddy? Yeah, going fishing. Charlie gets excited. He knows when I start reeling fast, that means there's a fish. Oh, it's a fishy? Bye. Charlie gets excited. He likes seeing those big old spotted bass. Jig sucking lips, baby. Sweet. In there. I don't want to get snagged, so I'm going to try that. See if the Texas rig works. I'm going to toss this spinner bait, slow roll it through here a couple times. Oh, got it. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Yeah. Nothing special, but that was still nice. Yeah. Watch out, Charlie. Spinner bait. Haha. Barely a keeper, but hey. Another spinner bait fish. This one a much better one. Bam. Nice. Alright. Not super big or nothing, but I'll take it in a tournament for sure. Crushed the spinnerbait hard. Was up tight. That last fish came right underneath that white foam right there. I casted just like this and burned it right here along this shoreline, and that fish just destroyed it. Whew. Man, that was cool. I gotta go find some more waterfalls. They're only holding 1 or 2 fish each. You know, the smaller waterfalls like this. I could go check the one in Arnold Bay and the one in Temperance, the one in Piney, and the one in Cotton. Got another tiny little waterfall, little fresh incoming inlet here. So we're gonna slow roll our spinnerbait along the sides here and then straight out and at it as well. See if we can't come get a big honker sitting up there in that rock right there. That would be nice. Although I think we want to find bigger ones like that. There might be something up here shallow. I just slow roll it. And if something's here, it'll crack this. Might need a couple casts like I did over there, you know, and the right angle too. That's the other thing. Angle is everything. Angle is everything. Take this and do one cast now at this angle right here. And slow roll it in the deepest part off of this. Alright, we're still well within tournament time. Let's see if we can get our 5th keeper at another waterfall here like this, another inlet. Slow roll the spinnerbait out. You stay the fuck away from that trolling motor, buddy. He hit the continuous button and sent us flying into the hill. I'm getting excited. He knows when I'm excited. He can feel my energy when we get closer to the waterfall, as I feel more and more confident that there's going to be a fish up there. You can tell he's getting amped. He's wanting to see me catch one. Huh, Charlie? He's ready. You can sense that Dad's ready. He's like, alright, let's get one. Oh, ho, ho. Look at this, folks. Temperance. Right hand side, not the left hand side. Real steep canyon with a ton of water pouring in. And all this foam. Ooh. I'm getting wet dreams. I'm getting excited just looking at it. Let's hope something comes out of here though. I think I'm gonna have to post right on the other side of this foam, cast into the rapids and reel under the foam. And I bet you there's just stacked with fish. We'll see. Another nice one. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Back here by the waterfall on blades. Up shallow, running it parallel to these rocks and stuff. Nice. Looks like there's a big group of them too. Oh, that's a big one. A good size one, not a big one, but hey, it's a keeper. I'll take it. I thought the school was like a bunch of 1-pounders. I seen a school of about 30 of these right here. So that's cool. Got a little backup spot we can come get some fish at. So nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. Got a decent limit throwing spinner baits and jigs out here at Lake McClure. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that subscribe and like. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think.